What we're going to do now is discharge auto-injectors through a fine mesh. This will allow you to see the actual discharge of the needle through the mesh and the actual delivery of the drug and the power for which the drug comes out. We'll then show you what happens to the needle to make it safe as we withdraw it from the skin. Do not try this yourself, it's for demonstration purposes only. The first one we'll use is the Jext. You will see how, when pressure is applied, the needle fires and the drug is expelled from the unit into the patient. Then you will see the needle removed and the needle cover comes over to take away any sharps risk. Now we'll demonstrate the EpiPen. Again, as we press it against the mesh, you will see the drug discharge from the EpiPen, and as we remove the needle from the skin, you will see the orange cap on the needle completely covers it, making sure it's sharp safe, reducing the risk of any sharps injuries from that EpiPen. Remember, this is for demonstration purposes only. Do not try this yourself.